Okay, you guys, so of course we're just going to simply wash the hair because I had built up product and everything else. I like to wash the hair in hot water as well. It wasn't as dirty as I thought it was, but it did have some dirt come off of it. I'm just going to go in, simply just shampooing it. I got this shampoo from the Dollar Tree. I like to use the shampoo from the Dollar Tree to wash my wigs because it really strips the product and stuff out of the hair. That way I can just get a clean surface and do what I need to do to get the hair back to where it needs to be. So this is just a simple shampoo step, nothing major, nothing special that I'm doing here. Of course, just washing it, and pretty much that's it. Okay, so for the second part, instead of using conditioner, I decided that I wanted to go ahead and do the fabric softener method. So I just wanted to use just a little bit just to kind of let it get through the hair and simply just soften it up a lot, and also go ahead and detangle it. So I just simply use the fabric softener as if it was conditioner, just brush it through the hair, get the tangles out and everything else. So that's simply all I did. You don't have to really use a lot. I just used a little bit. I didn't use a particular brand. This was, I think, extra fabric softener from the Dollar Tree. So yeah, it wasn't like I used Downy or anything else. I don't think it really matters with the brand that you use. So yeah, that's just what I'm using in this particular part, using the fabric softener as a conditioner. As you can see, the fibers in the hair are really starting to be honest, I felt like it got a lot more shine using the fabric softener, and it was just a lot easier and smoother than I felt with conditioner. Okay, guys, so I'm going to go in with these Dollar Tree rollers. These are kind of like a little, I think they're plastic. simple rollers. The hair is still a little bit wet, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to be doing the boiling method with the rollers in to get the curls to stay and last. I'm just going to really just be looking for more of an in curl, not for the whole entire like a tighter curl. I'm looking for more of like a looser in curl, like a bump. Yeah, I think that's how you say it, like a little bump curl at the ends. So that's what I'm doing here, just simply going in. I didn't have enough rollers to do how I really wanted it to do, so I'm just going to just use it in certain areas. Take a little bit of chunks of hair. I'm not going to roll it perfectly or any type of kind of way, just simply just rolling it just to get a curl at the ends. And that's simply just it. That's all I'm going to be doing. So this is pretty much what the hair looks like coming out of the boiling water. I'm just letting it cool off, and I'm going to let it air dry with the rollers on there. I'm going to keep the rollers on there till it fully dries. And yeah, the hair is really soft. As you guys can see, I'm just feeling how soft it is, and that's pretty much it. So this is the final look after taking the rollers out. As you guys can see, this side did very, very well. I loved how this side turned out. I am going to go in and kind of set the curls and also pluck the part a little bit. This side fell a little bit, but I'm going to go in with the flat iron, just simply curl it. But yeah, that is the final kind of result, you guys.